Yo, what's good? It's your boy Jeff Smith coming at you again with another Where You At Wednesday. I know you guys are trying to figure out, why are you so sweaty, Jeff? What's going on? I just got done working out. I understand it's kind of weird, like, why am I taping this? Well, I want to inspire somebody today with this one word is what promise did you make yourself this year? I promised myself that I was going to be the healthiest dad, the healthiest husband that I can possibly be. I got off to a late start this morning. Normally I get up, I'm up at like 4:30, 4:45, I'm in the gym 5 a.m. But today I had a lot of stuff going on this morning. My son kept me up, but there's no excuses. I said I'm going to make time for the gym regardless. No matter how busy I am, I'm going to make time. So I took an hour out of my day. I still have to teach a leadership class in about an hour and a half or so. So I'm going to shoot over to the house, take a shower real quick, shoot back up to the church so I can teach these students. But the one thing I wanted to just say is, like, be inspired. Make sure that your will is bigger than your excuses. What promise did you make God this year? Whether it's to be a better husband, to be a better father, to be a better teacher, to be a better CEO. Whatever it is that you promised yourself, what are you going to do about it? Where are you at with that promise this year? You still have half the year to accomplish those goals. Most people at the beginning of the year in 2016, they said they were going to have better health. Where are you at with that? Your family is depending on you. Your wife is dependent on you. Your kids are dependent on you. Your cousins are dependent on you. Your aunts, your uncles. There's people that are looking up to you. Little do you know, even if you don't have a family, you may have nieces and nephews who look up to you. Understand this. There's always somebody watching. And there's always somebody that's inspired by you. Continue to be that inspiration. Continue to be that empowerment to say, like, you know, most people don't have consistency. Be consistent in everything that you do. Every promise you make to somebody, every promise you make to God, you let your yes be yes and your no's be no's. So listen, this isn't going to be this long tangent and bang, bang, bang. All it's going to be is just an inspiration to say you can do it. You're there. There's no better time than today. Don't make any more excuses. Don't say, well, tomorrow, in an hour, maybe later tonight. Do it now. There's no better time than now. God has given you a hope and a peace. So just know, like, be hopeful. Just say, you know what? I didn't succeed in those goals today. But tomorrow, I'm going to wake up refreshed. It's a new day. It's a new start. But right now, what can I do right now to make steps? So let's shift our minds and say, you know what? My mindset is not going to be the same mindset it was yesterday. My mindset will not be the same that it was last week. It's a new day. It's a new season. So no, you can do whatever you can. You can do it. Don't stop. You got this. The Bible says clearly in Philippians, it says that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So you can do it. Just get up and move. Don't talk yourself out of it. Talk yourself into it. So this is your boy Jeff for Where You At Wednesday. FYI, my mentor, I told you, I'm going to get that 10,000 steps. We on these 10,000 steps. I'm already at 9,800 right now. You know who you are. I'm going to get you. So this is your boy Jeff Smith. Once again, Where You At Wednesday. Peace.